want you to make predictions for the end of the year. Do you think we're lower or higher?
Oh boy. The wild cards are very serious and it's one of those things that, the outcome of the election here in Canada, by the time this is aired, we will all know in all likelihood or be very close to knowing. I think the relationship with the US administration's getting a lot of pressure. I think, can I say it this way? I think the S&P TSX will outperform just based on our composition. We're very attractive. It hasn't always been our time. I think it's our time to shine. We're not down all that much. Gold, metals, yeah, doing a lot of the heavy lifting. All right, so I'll go out on a limb. That's a long way to hedge my bet. Um, I'm going to say we're going to be higher than where we are today.
Excellent, excellent. I would agree with you, and you're right.
Oh.
The TSX, the gold component obviously is outshining everything, and TSX is actually flat right now for the
Mhm.
year. Jonathan, what would you say? Are we higher? Are you in the higher camp with us, or do you think we'll be lower, or do you think things will just be about the same? And what do you think about the tariffs? Are we going to get through this tariff time, or will we be talking about tariffs come October, November?
Well, I mean, this 90-day tariff pause is the $64 billion question, isn't it? I mean, I think Trump will water it down, but want to save face. So there's still going to be tariffs, but they're not going to be as extreme. We saw him basically capitulate to China in the last couple of days. And so I wouldn't want to be inside his mind and his brain, but if I did, I would say he'll probably water things down sufficiently. He says he doesn't care about the stock market and Jerome Powell and blah, 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 but he does, and he figures that's how he's measured. He doesn't want to be this president who's going to be responsible for the Great Depression and biggest stock market crash
Mhm.
of all time. Yes, he could crash it tomorrow if he wished so. And I'm sure he'd have insider trading, and all his little buddies in Congress, people would get the alert as they did last time and go short and make a killing. But I think he'll water it down. So, long story short, I think probably the markets will be slightly higher. I agree with you both by the end of this year because he's going to capitulate. But if he doesn't, look out below.